Hi, today in front of you OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I will show you how to log out from Gmail accounts on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. So if you want to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google accounts on our device. And to do that, we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account, click on the right upper corner to these three dots and tap to remove account. Then confirm your action by tap to remove button. I assure, tap to OK. If you use some product methods, you could use them. So now we successfully log out from the Google account on our device. So let's go back to the application, and we could see that in app we also successfully log out from Gmail application, from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.